Greetings from COVID land in Tatarstan. And I'm taking a walk right now in my courtyard in Kazan. Guys, we did it. We're here. We're at the end of this whole lockdown period. And that doesn't mean stop. That doesn't mean that, you don't wear your mask. That doesn't mean that you go out, you party, and you meet 20 billion people. This means that we are through the big, huge portion here. There's still some problems. Don't probably want to be going to Moscow anytime soon, but we are through the big issues in the local area at least. So, keep up with that hand washing. Look, when this started a month ago, nobody knew what was going to happen. Professors didn't know. Dean didn't know. Nobody knew what we would have to do that. And we pulled together and we did it as a team, as a community at Annapolis. The students, the staff, the administration, we all did it in order to keep people safe. And here we are, right? And I know it's been hard. I know there's days where I didn't even want to get out of bed, but look, we're here. Look at how beautiful this is today. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, sun rises. Sun's gonna get up. We're gonna meet each other soon. I'm gonna be in the university pretty soon. We're gonna go out and do all that stuff. And when all these restrictions are gone, great, go out and party, let's do it. But right now, keep up with whatever they're telling you to do, whether that's wear a mask, wear gloves, wash your hands, keep all of that up, because we do not want to go back into this sort of lockdown again, right? We don't want to continue this on. And it's only through individuals doing those activities that are going to prevent everyone from having to go back into that. We don't want that. Nobody wants that. Chinese don't want that. Donald Trump don't want that. Nobody wants that. Okay? So all this BS and politics around this sort of stuff, don't listen to the media. Don't worry about all of that. Follow the precautions, because you don't want to get this thing, and you don't want others to get this thing, and we all need to get together again. And the sooner that this thing goes away, sooner that all happens. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at Annapolis again, and I'm looking forward to going into an actual classroom and teaching actual classes again. And I'm looking forward to sitting in Cavan drinking a coffee again. And I'm looking forward that at some point I get back to Canada and go and see my family again. So whatever we can do in order to prevent this spread, keep up that work. I want to say a big thank you and shout out to all of those of you who are helping me with the whole folding at home. I'll probably put a link down in the bottom for where you can go. We're still working on all of that. I'm looking forward definitely to everybody that's presenting their thesis this term. I know those students, man, that's hard work. I did a couple of theses myself through my time inside of academia. I would not want to have this plus have to write a whole thesis on top of that. So you guys, shout out to you that are working on your theses, that are publishing papers, that are trying to get research done and trying to work from home during this. Work from home is the bad way to see it. It's more of there's a crisis going on, you're stuck at home and trying to work. And I get that. So keep it up, and when we get back, I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. I want to get out of here. I want to get out of the yard. I want to get out of the prison yard. Okay? So, stay safe. Wash your hands.